Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video, Beverly. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show how you can increase the value of the company and get yourself more exposure on Google. There are three key factors that come into play with that: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, understand the basics here. Every time you type something into the Google search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization, or SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords being typed in, and then categorizes those websites based on their content, and that's how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the page, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So, for example, we know that this is appliance repair, reliable appliance repair. What's going on here is that you're on Yelp, and Yelp is an advertisement. So, when somebody is searching for appliance repair on Yelp, the leads aren't specific for you, they're being spread across hundreds of other appliance repairs that are on Yelp. So they're not driven to you or to your site. You're sharing your lead services with everybody else on Yelp. Now, I'm sure it generates calls, but not as strong as it could be if you were ranking or the business was ranking for itself. So, for example, we have appliance repair carry because it's an area that you serve. So I just randomly picked that and just wanted to see what was here. We have ads. You can definitely always run ads that generates traffic right away. We know that this is the map area or the map pack. Ranking in the map area or the pack is related to your Google business profile, your area of coverage, citations that are connected to your business profile, anything that's name, address, and phone number. For example, again, Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages are typical citation directories for examples. Ranking here along with citations in your profile, reviews, some pictures that pop up there when I slide over. Those help the rank factor in the map. Underneath the map is where the organic rank starts to take place. So you say, how does a company get here? Why are these businesses on the first page and we are not? Or how does this work? So aside from an advertisement like Yelp, because if you're in here, you're being shared with 10 other companies and then some. So you have less likely of a chance for a click on you when somebody finds a different advertisement more appealing. This is diluted. We have right here number 2. So this is an organically ranked website, and I wanted to show you how this works. Because we do have your company here, and I do have this tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes with a company and a business. I can't necessarily say that this reflects you because you're on Yelp, so this probably reflects Yelp. When we take a look at Raleigh Appliance Repair, this is his website and what he has on it, some content, some pictures, but why he is on the first page is what's important. He's on the first page because he has 188 backlinks. Backlinks are an important rank factor. It's where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust into your business because you're being endorsed by somebody else and it creates popularity. We have 35 referring domains or other websites connected to that site, to his website from this. Now he also has 240 keywords. So this is where content and keywords come into play. Whatever somebody's typing in the Google search bar, Google is looking for the correct content and keywords within a website to rank, to give the customer what he's looking for within the website. And these 240 keywords are driving 418 views a month. So to give you an idea of kind of how this works, this would be the search volume per month for the keyword that's being typed into the Google search. Raleigh Appliance Repair, 500 times a month. Raleigh Appliance Repairs, another 500. Appliance Repair Raleigh, 500. These are big ones. Appliance Repair Cary, 300. Capital Appliance Repair, 400. Cary Appliance Repair, 150. Appliance repair, Cary, 150. Refrigerator repair, Raleigh. So you can see collectively, once you add this up, that these keywords and the content built in the site is what generates and drives the traffic to you, and this what helps with the ranking. Also, you want to keep in mind, not all backlinks, as I mentioned earlier, they're not considered equal. You wouldn't want a landscaping company referring back to you. It doesn't carry as much weight and as much strength as another appliance repair facility referring back to you within their website, because you guys are kind of endorsing each other and talking back and forth. All the backlinks that he has, you can have and then some. He's got 188. Just go ahead and get 250. You got 240 keywords generating 418 views a month. You can have 300. So, with this being said, it's really important that you understand how a well built website can bring value to the company. You need the content, the backlinks, the citations to come together, your profile in Google Business to show your local area, which that generates a lot of traffic locally, and those become sales. And get yourself endorsed through the backlinks. So if you've ever wondered how this works, this is how this works. Having a website that isn't built correctly, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. I mean, nobody's going to see it. So you really need to have it structured right to get you in the position to be an authority in what you guys do, and Google will recognize that and that you're being endorsed by others, move you up the rank, and put you on the first page. With the content and the keywords, it generates a lot of exposure, and all of the customer searches go directly to you when they click on your website rather than clicking on Yelp and getting spread throughout. So your leads aren't shared when they're coming to your website, but you're sharing all your potential customers and clients by being on Yelp. I hope that brings a little insight. I hope that's helpful. If there was any questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to speak with you. Thanks for taking the time, Beverly. I appreciate it. Have a nice night.